Hi friends! Today we will make some numbers from these awesome wooden sticks. So we are going to start with one wooden stick. Oh, and don't forget to ask your mom or dad to help you out with the cutting. I will use some magic right now. Poof! Cool! Here's what we've got. One little piece and one big piece. We can make a number, one from them, like this. That's pretty simple, right? Okay, to make these pieces hold together, we are going to use some trusty glue. I have white glue here. Now, let's take the bigger piece and apply a little drop or two on its upper end. Here we go. I'm gonna press it well to make it stick better. And this is what we've got. It's the number 1. We're gonna have to wait a little bit to let the glue set. In the meantime, you can give this video a like and subscribe to this channel if you like our fun learning playdates. Now let's check. Yep, our number 1 is already dry. It means we can paint it. Oh, look friends, we have so many colors here. I'm going to go with blue. What blue things do you know? Ah, very interesting, and you're right. The sky is blue and the water in the ocean is blue too. I also know a few blue flowers and berries. Hey, something tells me that you have at least one toy which is blue. Am I right? Awesome! Well, I know someone really cute who also has a blue toy. Friends, meet Nelson the kitten. He loves playing with his blue ball. Oh, and what do we have here? So many pieces of a wooden stick. I think we can put them together to get the next number we need. Let's see, what comes after number 1? It's the number 2. Correct. Oh, you are so smart. The next step is to glue everything together. Just try not to use too much glue, okay? Now, this piece goes over here. And just like that, we've got a 2. We should let the glue set so that we can make this number bright and colorful. Let's give it a second. All right, what color should we choose this time? How about bright yellow? Our number 2 is going to be yellow like the sun. I'm trying to be very careful here so that everything turns out pretty and neat. Yay! We did it, friends! Hey, I know a thing that is yellow and tasty. It's a banana! Do you like bananas? I sure do. The next number we need is 3, and I have a lot of pieces to make it. I will stick the shorter pieces to the longer one this way. See? It's pretty easy. White glue comes next. We need to apply the glue 3 times to get the number 3. This is the last one, folks. There we go. Number 3 is very pretty, right? But we can make it look bright. We only need to choose the perfect color. What to say about green? We haven't used it today yet. Hey, it's green like grass or a grasshopper. We're almost finished with the number 3, friends. It is green now, just like one awesome vegetable. Broccoli! Yeah, I know you don't like it, but it's very good for your health. To make the next number, I had to cut 2 wooden sticks to get 3 pieces like this. So now I can show you how to make the number 4. That was fast, right? Some glue will help our number 4 to stay in one piece, so to say. And here's one last drop. Here we go. It is so nice to meet you, number 4. So what color can this number be? We need something extra special. How about red? I like red. It reminds me of a poppy flower and a fire truck. And what things that are red do you know? Those are great answers. So many tasty things are red too. Like strawberries. My mouth starts watering already. Look, friends, I've got 5 wooden pieces here, and that's the clue to the next number we're making. Now, I'll put this piece right here and stick another one to it, this way. And the last piece should go like this. Let's glue them together. 5 is such a great number. It's always good to have 5 candies in your pocket. I'm just kidding here. Alrighty, let's make it bright. What color do you think we should use this time? Purple? Oh, it's such a great idea. Let's do this. Oops, Now my finger is a bit purple too, but it's okay really, I can always wash my hands. So our number 5 is purple, just like these beautiful flowers. The next number we'll be making is the number 6. 6 has a little cap on top and a nice little belly. It should be like this. Now to the gluing part. I will press really well to make all the pieces stuck together for sure. A few more pieces to go. Here we go. This is 6, and I want it to be orange. We haven't used this color today yet. Yay, we did it, friends. Hey, do you want to see something else that's orange? It's a sunset. Actually, it can be in different colors, but it always looks mesmerizing. Aha! We've got only 2 wooden pieces again. But what number should we make? Nope, it's not gonna be 1. That's right, it's 7. Do you remember the next step? We need to glue our wooden sticks. Here we go. Just a little more pressure and it's done. This is the number 7. Number 7 will be of this color, just like the very first number from earlier today. Do you remember what it's called? Blue. Well done, friends. We've got a blue number 7. This is great. We're moving on to the next number. Do you know what comes after 7? Is it 9 or 10 maybe? Of course it's not. It is number 8. Just give me a few seconds to stick our wooden pieces together. Bloopity bloop, here comes the glue. And one more piece of a wooden stick. While I'm at it, you can take a second to subscribe to our channel. This way, we will keep learning new things together. And here's our 8. Now tell me, friends, what is this color called? So bright and beautiful. Oh, come on, you know it. It's green. Very well. Let's see what the next number will be. We have a lot of wooden pieces here to make it. I will put them like this. I think I can glue them now. Just one tiny drop of glue at these ends of every short piece should be enough. Hey, this way it kind of looks like a 3, right? But we already made 3 today. So if I put this piece right here, we will get the number 9. Awesome. Let's make it bright. I will use the red paint again. I like how it looks on our numbers. I'm going to be very thorough and paint every little part of the number 9. Just a little bit more left. And the red number 9 is done. Okay, let's make just one more number and I promise it's really special. Do you want to know why? Because it consists of 2 numbers actually. Number 1, which we already know, and a 0. And just like that, if we put them together, we get a whole new number, 10. Let me speed up with the gluing. Awesome! We can get to the coloring. I'd really like to use this color again. Okay, here it goes. Number 1, you will be bright like the sun. And a 0 is round, like the sun as well. Isn't it funny? It's the yellow color for the number 10. Great. Now let's check out all our numbers again. Number 1, we painted it blue and it goes here. Number 2, we made it yellow. It goes next to the number 1. Right here. Up next is the number 3. You go right here, green little fella. Here's the number 4, and it's red, like a fire truck. This is its place. For the purple number, 5, I've prepared a perfect spot. There you go. The orange number, 6, should start the second row. Its best friend and neighbor, the blue number 7, goes here. And next to it, the green number, 8, will be quite comfortable. Hey, it matches 3 in color. And the red number, 9, matches the red number 4. So cool! Last but not least, the yellow number, 10. Here comes the 0. And the number 1, oops, it needs a bit more space. There you go. Friends, we did great today. Not only did we learn how to create numbers from wooden sticks, we also revised the names of the colors and had lots of fun. I just love our playdates. See you next time, and don't forget to give us a thumbs up.